Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape door lock problems and the likely reasons behind them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Door lock problems in the Ford Escape are commonly described as doors not locking or unlocking properly, locks responding intermittently, doors locking or unlocking on their own, or remote and interior lock controls failing to work consistently. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive data indicate that door lock concerns can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on body electronics design, lock actuator type, and electrical system condition. One verified cause involves door lock actuator wear. Over time, internal mechanical or electrical components within the actuator can degrade, leading to inconsistent or failed lock operation. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical wiring and connections. Broken wires in door harnesses, loose connectors, or corrosion can interrupt signals between the control module and the door lock actuator. Body control module monitoring behavior is also a documented factor. The module manages door lock commands, and irregular input signals or internal faults can affect lock response. Key fob or remote signal behavior is another verified consideration. Weak key fob batteries or signal interference can prevent doors from responding correctly to lock or unlock commands. Door latch mechanism condition is an additional confirmed aspect. Wear or binding in the latch assembly can prevent the lock from engaging or disengaging fully. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include moisture intrusion into door components, recent door or window repairs affecting alignment, or software-related control behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include testing door lock actuators, inspecting wiring and connectors, checking key fob battery condition, scanning body control module fault codes, and evaluating latch operation. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape door lock problems are resolved through actuator replacement or wiring repair rather than control module replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, electrical configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Escape door lock problems are typically linked to actuator wear, wiring or connection issues, control module behavior, remote signal problems, or latch mechanism condition. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.